Guys, please be ready for dictation from the Hindu editorial section dated 30th October 2021. The topic is Silly Point on Linking Cricket to Patriotism. Support for the national cricket team or its players is no litmus test for patriotism. Ready? People who allegedly celebrated the victory of Pakistan against India in a T20 Cricket World Cup match on October 24 are facing the brunt of the state. All of them are Muslims. In Rajasthan, a young school teacher has been terminated by a private school and the police have charged her under IPC section 153B for imputations assertions prejudicial to national integration. In Jammu and Kashmir, the police have registered 2 cases against unknown persons under the Unlawful Activities (Prevention) Act UAPA and other sections. In Uttar Pradesh, 3 students from J&K have been charged under IPC sections 153A promoting enmity between groups 505 creating or publishing content to promote enmity and later section 124A sedition. The wisdom, propriety or acceptability of celebrating Pakistan's victory is beside the point. From moral, tactical and practical perspectives, this sweeping policing is unwise. No democracy, least of all a country of India's size and diversity, can demand unyielding uniformity and conformity from its population on all questions and at all times. It is unlikely that any of these charges will stand judicial scrutiny, but that only makes this spectacle a ridiculous distraction for the stretched law enforcement system. Far from enforcing national integration as the purported aim of this heavy-handed police action is, it will only brew more resentment and social disharmony apart from derailing young lives. An unremitting loyalty test of citizens can be a self-defeating pursuit for a country like India that has global ambitions. People of Indian origin live around the world with split loyalties. There are US citizens who chant victory for India at gatherings in their home countries addressed by the Indian Prime Minister, and there are British and Australian citizens who boo their own country in favor of India during sporting events. Sports teams around the world have members of foreign origin. Infusion of toxic hyper-nationalism in sports is bad in such a world, more so for India. While the BJP has been championing this link between cricket and nationalism, other parties are not far behind, as the incident in Rajasthan, a Congress-ruled state, shows. AAP in Delhi was one step ahead and questioning the Narendra Modi government for allowing the cricket match with Pakistan. Had all this been on account of an unspoken link between cheering for the national cricket team and support for a united India, the police would have also charged those who mercilessly trolled Mohammad Shami, a Muslim in the Indian cricket team. True, it would have been wonderful for the Indian cricket team to enjoy the unqualified support of the entire nation, but surely there is no reason to charge those who support another team with sedition. The Indian state looks silly now, and the whole episode bodes ill for cricket and the country.